If you hear a noise, it might not be good. Okay, this is Sony. This is a Sony speaker. Okay, this speaker. This is a speaker. This is a speaker. Guys, how to test your speaker? In the box like this, you got a speaker like this one. You got a speaker like this, and you got a speaker like this big one, like this. Okay, like this. You know, the speaker is the one who produces sound for us inside our radio, inside our television, or in our sound system. You're going to have the sound from the speaker. It happened in the house that your speaker is faulty and you can replace yourself, and you want to know how to test your speaker. The best way of testing your speaker is using your multimeter. Follow me till the end of the video, and then I'll show you how to test your speaker using the multimeter or using the ohmmeter.
Technician, entrepreneur, business people, traveler, Fokou Media is your channel. Subscribe, like and share.
Let's share and let's test the speaker together. I'm going to cut this speaker. I'm going to cut it like this. Go to cut it. It's like damaging the speaker actually. I'm going to cut this one. I'm actually cutting this one here, and the inside, and then I'll remove it. As you can see, check guys, check. Remove it, check. This is what you get in the speaker, right? This one stay here. I just remove it there. How to test your speaker is very important. So now, the first test you do on your speaker should be a physical test. So you want to press like this one, and see that it's going in and out, and then it doesn't make any noise. Meaning that this is not burnt out. If this one is burnt out, when you press like this, you're gonna make a noise. You can play higher music and this coin get burned. That's why when you will be pressing here on your speaker, you'll be pressing like this, you'll be making noise, crock, 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 because it's get burned. Okay, that is a physical way of checking your speaker. You get a speaker like this one, and then you check to see if the coin is damaged. So you do this to see if this coin is burned or not, because most of the time when the coin is burned, when you do this, you're gonna make a noise. So this thing should be free on your speaker. So check your speaker box. This one should be free. When you press like this, you must not hear any noise. If you don't hear any noise by doing this, you will know that the coin on this speaker is still fine. Now, that is the first thing to do. The second one, now, you check the speaker. This speaker got 8 ohms. The resistivity of this coin is 8 ohms. And the power of this speaker is 100 watts. Okay? The power determines how far you can go with your sound using maybe your hi-fi or your sound system. So it must not go over 100 watts. If you use a sound over 100 watts, you damage this speaker. Either the coin will get cut or the coin will get burned. So when the coin get burned, you're gonna have a short circuit. When the coin get cut, the value of the resistivity of that coin will not be right. So if I put my multimeter in this 2 point, I must have a value between 7 to 8. Consider the tolerance. Let's see how much ohms we got on this speaker. Okay, I'm going to use it in my multimeter, and then I'll put it. Let me put it there. Let's check and see how much is it. So guys, we got the ohm meter showing us the value between 7 and 8, which is good. Okay, 7 and 8, which is good. This speaker is good because it's free when I'm pressing like this, and it got the value between 8 and 15 ohms, as you can see. So it's good because the coin inside is free. It's not making noise. It's good because it's giving me the value between 3 and 15 ohms. Okay, check this speaker. It's look very nice. Look very, very nice. It's come from a subwoofer box, but this speaker is damaged. This speaker is not good because of what? When I'm pressing like this, yeah, when I'm doing this, it's not free. is making noise, meaning that the coin inside the magnet, this coin inside the magnet of this speaker actually burn out. You hear the noise, okay? This is the first thing will show me that this speaker is damaged. Second one, I'll use my multimeter to check the resistivity of the coin. And for that, my multimeter being on ohm meter, I'm going to put it there and there to check it, okay? Let's do that and see how much I took this. I'm gonna put it there, okay? How much ohm we got there. So the value of the coin is measured by ohm meter. How much? Guys, we got 0, 0, 0, 0, mean the coin of this speaker is damaged. This one, 0, 0. So this speaker is damaged because the ohm meter they show us 0, meaning that the coin is cut. When I press like this, it's making noise. You hear that? Meaning that it's touching the ball. I can do another test for you. I can do another test for this big speaker. This big subwoofer is the same way that you test the small one, you test this one as well. Noise. You see, guys, I'm doing this, but it's not making noise, okay? You see, it's not making any noise. It's not making noise. It's balancing very well, going in and out very well. And now the second test I'll do will be using my multimeter and test the coin, okay? I'm gonna use the terminal. You can see this is the terminal of this speaker, and then I'll use it there. I use my multimeter on multimeter place. Look, yes. So I'm going to do this and see how many ohms I will get on my multimeter. Let's check together. Yeah, we are getting between 3. Let's check together. We now getting between 3 and 4 ohms. Between 3 and 4 ohms, meaning that our subwoofer is very good condition. If you put the sound there, you'll get your sound. But if you use this one, put the sound here, you will not get the sound because this one is actually damaged. This one is damaged and this one is still good. Why this one is damaged? It's making noise when I'm touching here. And when I measure the value, the resistivity of my coin here, it shows me nothing, meaning that the coin inside this one is cut. That's how you know if your speaker is good or not. Guys, so far, so good. And guys, if you need this type of speaker, this is a Sony speaker. If you need this type of speaker to get a beautiful sound in your car, contact me below because we got a good stock for you. We got different brands. We got Pioneer, we got Sony. Pioneer and Sony is here for you. Contact me below so that you can get this beautiful subwoofer for your car. If you want to test this one as well, it's the same thing. You check if it's making noise, this one is not making noise, and then you check the value of the resistivity of the coin inside the speaker. If the resistivity of the coin inside the speaker is between 3 and 15 ohms, believe me, your speaker will be fine. This one is also fine. I can even feel it by doing this. Guys, as I have said, if you're looking for good speaker for your car, for your house, for your system, and for your nightclub, contact me below. Okay? Thank you for watching till this time. I'll see you in my next video. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. For those who doesn't know me, my name is Alphonse Fokou. Thank you very much. Goodbye.